Are you tired of eating zucchini out of your garden? I'm going to show you how to make something good with them, and it's called zucchini casserole. It's only a few ingredients. First thing you're going to want, zucchini. You don't want them getting big, about this size. When they get big, they get seedy, so keep an eye on your plants. You want to pick them when they look like this. We're going to use one yellow squash. We're going to use one red bell pepper. We're going to use half of a jalapeno. 2 eggs. We're going to use a cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's. You can use whatever mayonnaise you want, not Miracle Whip. And we got half a cup of Parmesan or Reggiano cheese. You're going to need some butter, salt and pepper to taste, some seasoned breadcrumbs, and some Pam to grease your casserole. So I'm going to get this prepped, and then I will bring you back and show you what we got to do to get this all thrown together. So stick around. If you wouldn't mind mashing that thumbs up, subscribing, I would appreciate it. And yeah, we'll see you shortly. Man, I was looking around for my onion and just realized I didn't tell you. Good thing you haven't gone shopping yet. You'll also need to cut up 1 white onion. Always forgetting something. We got our zucchini and our squash cut up. You want to kind of cut it up in rings like this. We got water boiling with salt in it. We're going to blanch these for 3 minutes. While that's going, we're going to get the mayonnaise and cheese and eggs all put together. So let's get this in the water, and I'll bring you back in a second. All right, we got those in the water. Here we got our onion and pepper cut up. So to that, we're going to add half a cup of grated cheese. We're going to put in our 2 eggs. And we are going to put in our cup of mayonnaise. And just kind of mix this together. It should be a creamy consistency like so. And now all we have to do is wait for our zucchini to blanch. We'll get that strained and then fold that into this mixture, and then it's ready to go in the casserole dish. So we'll bring you back when we are ready to fold in the zucchini. One other thing while you're waiting for the zucchini is salt and pepper into this to your liking. Then mix that, then we'll bring it back. We got the zucchini into the strainer, and now we just kind of start to fold that into the mixture a little bit at a time. So all you're looking to do is just kind of blanch the zucchini, kind of soften it up a little bit. You don't want to cook it to oblivion. And then the water from the zucchini is going to help add to the mixture, so it's going to kind of thin it out a little bit. Let's get the rest of this in there. And then just kind of grab from the bottom and pull to the top. Just kind of make sure you get all the zucchinis broke apart from each other. I tell you, my mom's probably going to have a fit me showing somebody how to make this. This is something I've been eating my entire life. Something my grandmother used to make. My mom made it. My aunts all made it. All right. So we got that ready. Now it's watery. Take your Pam. Just kind of lightly spray your casserole dish just so nothing sticks. All right. Then you're going to dump all of this into your casserole dish. And just kind of flatten them out, spread them out evenly in the dish. So the nice part about this is when you do it in summer, I mean, you can use any kind of pepper you want. I prefer the red pepper. You can use a green pepper, you can use a yellow pepper, but we're getting quite a bit of color in here. So we got our yellow squash, we got our green zucchini, we got our red peppers, we got our green jalapeno, and then we got our white onion. So once you kind of get it even out like this, then take your breadcrumbs and you just kind of want to cover the top in a good layer of breadcrumbs. So there you go. You want a good layer of breadcrumbs so that you could barely see what you got going on underneath it, like a saw. Then what you're gonna do is get yourself a butter knife. Take your butter, and you're gonna take dollops like this and just kind of place them on here. Not so strategically, just kind of on it. So you're going to use probably half a stick of butter or so. This is how you take a healthy zucchini and make people that don't eat healthy want to eat a zucchini, even though we're making it not, well, maybe not. I guess mayonnaise is eggs, right? Butter, yeah, butter's the cornerstone to any nutritious dinner, right? So just a few dollops of butter like so. And maybe move this one over. Move that one over there. Put a little dollop there. Move this one over. All right. So paper towel for this. So there you go. Now we are ready to bake. So you're going to put this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes till the top kind of browns up real nice and the egg sets. And we're going to get this in the oven and I'll bring you back. But when I do, it's going to be in a little bit different of a setting because today's Mom's birthday, so I'm cooking dinner for Mom. So we're making zucchini casserole. I got ribeye steak, and I'm going to do a twice baked potato. So that's the other video that I'm shooting today. So the potatoes are in the oven now. But anyways, so we're going to get this wrapped with saran wrap for right now and let this sit because we're not ready to cook it yet. And when it's coming out of the oven, we'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Zucchini casserole. Looks pretty good. How's that for a birthday dinner? Hope you give this one a try. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And remember, never trust a skinny cook.